ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
You look beautiful.
You look beautiful.
Figured out a way of hiding, put a man into orbit. Watch him as the fire disappears with a wager for
Wow, look at the poop. I'm shocked.
You didn't expect long sleeves and
No, I
lace?
didn't. I didn't at all.
tell where we'll go, yeah. We don't have any way of control.
Oh, wow.
It's a party dress.
It's a party dress. You ready to get
That's
low?
what I went for.
Ready to get
Party
low.
dress. It's like
Business up top.
business on the top, party on the bottom.
Mine's like
Yours is
French chic all the way
French.
down.
You're fancy. That's it.
You know.
Well, I'll be your rainy day lover whenever the sunny days end, and whatever the weather, we have each other, and that's how the story will end. Well, I'll be your shade tree in summer if you'll be my fire when it's cold, and whatever the season, well, we'll keep on breathing, 'cause we'll have each other to hold, and I'll hold you, and I'll sing. I wanna love you forever, I do. I wanna spend all of my days with you. We'll carry your burden, be the wind that your back. Well, I wanna spend my forever, forever like that.
When you breathe, my own lungs fill with air. That we just met, but we have known each other our whole lives.
Those that truly love have roots that grow towards each other underground. And when all the pretty blossoms have fallen from their branches, they find that they are one tree and not two.
Cassie, from this day forward, do you choose Sarah to be your wife, your best friend, and your only love? Sarah, from this day forward, do you choose Cassie to be your wife, your best friend, and your only love?
I do. I absolutely do. Sarah, if standing up here getting married isn't the shock of the century, I don't know what is. My life is very different than what I imagined it would be, and I thank God for that every day, and I thank God for you. I did not think I was gonna cry, but okay. I don't think shocked is a big enough word for when my feelings began to grow for you, but I quickly realized you were exactly what my heart needed, forever and always. Leaving the place we called home with rumors going around truly began the adventures of me and you. And although this love was different, it was real and it was ours. And as scared as I was, I'm thankful Casey told our secret. That really wasn't so secret. And in Montana, as we sang for hours driving across the state, I knew nothing was going to keep me from marrying you because I'd marry you in paper rings. Sarah, today I make a promise to forever protect your heart as if it were mine. I promise to never let our venture end. I promise to dream with you, celebrate with you, and walk beside you through all of the highs and lows life will bring. I promise to care for you when you're sick, and I promise to be more obsessed with you than your obsession with pickles and coconut mojitos. And lastly, I promise to choose you every day, a million times over, not because I have to, but because I want to. I love you, and I can't wait to continue this adventure.
Cassie, I can't believe our wedding day is finally here. I never thought I would be so lucky to be standing here next to my best friend, but you've shown me that true, unconditional love is possible. There's nothing in the world that I would rather be than your wife. And no place that I would rather be than right here telling everyone how much I love you. I love the looks that you give me when I'm being ridiculous, and even your eye rolls when I'm getting on your nerves. I live to hear your laugh, and your smile still gives me butterflies. Today and every day for the rest of our lives, I promise to always love life with you and to help you love yours. I promise to live in the warmth of your arms and call wherever we are our home because we're together. I promise to take you on adventures, even if it's as simple as a trip to Home Goods followed by Chick-fil-A. I promise to love you, to be your biggest fan, your best friend, and to never stop challenging you as you challenge me to be the best version of myself. More than anything, I promise to choose you and to choose us every day. You used to tell me that I'd know when I found the person I was meant to be with forever, and you were right. I'm so happy to be starting this forever with you.
I now pronounce you as wife and wife. You may now share your first kiss.
When the wind blows, love will be together. When the storms they rise, well, I'll be right there by your side. And I'll sing, I'm gonna love you forever I do. I'm gonna spend all of my days with you. We'll carry your burden and be the wind that shall by. I'm gonna spend my forever, forever like that.
It was about 25 years ago when Audra and I made a decision, right or wrong, that we were not going to have any more kids. We had 2 daughters, and of course the last one we said after this fireball, no more. And so we kind of reserved to the fact that we were never going to have a daughter-in-law. But guess what? Things change. And we get to welcome a daughter-in-law in our family. And I could not ask for a better daughter-in-law to have in our family. Sarah, we're so proud to have you as part of our family.
It's very apparent to everyone that knows both of you that you make each other incredibly happy. I feel blessed to be part of that experience. Without further ado, will everyone join me lifting their glasses to toast and congratulate the new couple on their wedding day. May your lives together be filled with adventure, love, and happiness. I love you both.
Baby, I'm fresh. I'm stylish. B.I.G. Billboard big, but to see my screen. Times Square level, light up NYC. Top floor big, but the penthouse me. Stadium status, don't need a team, this ain't Madden. Interest like Prince Ali seen on the Latin. Don't need a genie when I got the magic. Won't ask the mirror, I know who the baddest. Get up on your feet, get up out your seat. I ain't playing around. Get up on your feet, get up out your seat. I ain't playing now. Get up on your feet, get up out your seat. I know you sitting now. Just let the band come in. Get it loud, let the band come in. I'ma do it. When I ain't walking, I don't ever need ID. There's no lie. Bet your little sister wanna be like me. There's no lie. I am everything that I dreamed I'd be. There's no lie. Get up on your feet. Get up out your seat. I ain't playing around. Get up on your feet. Get up out your seat. I ain't playing now. Get up on your feet. Get up out your seat. I know you sitting now. Just let the band come in.